Ohio gozaimasu, and welcome back to Gaijin TV, and welcome to Kobe. Want to see something cool? Sure you do. Little Western styling with the Japanese flares to it. Absolutely lovely. No idea what it is, but it's beautiful. We're on our way up to pay our respects to our dead up at the Ohaka, the graveyard. This is Ohaka Mairi, the custom of going and arranging flowers, picking up any garbage, weeding, watering, and lighting the sacred incense. It's unfortunately, fortunately it's in Kobe. Unfortunately, it's way the hell up there. Want to see? Check this out. Here's a nice shot of the entrance to the graveyard. We're only about halfway up the hill. The nice part of Kobe is it's right between the ocean and the mountain, Rokko-san. Haruko's father has these charming stories of his grandpa being so old that they'd have to get behind him and push the old bugger up the hill to visit the gravesite. He did. He up here. At every graveyard there's flower sales at the entrance. And of course you need a bit of equipment to do the cleanup. So they offer that right over here. Get ourselves a chiritori, dustpan, and a hoki. Not hockey, baby, hoki. You need a bucket to get some water for the blessing and the purification of the stones. And you wash the stones. Check this out. It's pretty deep inside the cultures and traditions around the gravesite. I'm already whinging about being out of breath and sweating, but at least it's not summertime, and the ever-present smell of the incense, the sacred incense. And a little bit creepy up here. Not gonna pull any punches. So here's the Kikuchi gravesite. You can see the parents were here yesterday, so we just do a little fresh up. And I asked Haruko, look, the next door has been evicted. What happened? She said, well, there's of course maintenance fees, and quite expensive of course here in Kobe, and if it's not being upkept then they'll dig them up, because the remains are here buried in these rocks, and say a prayer and put them somewhere for eternity. These folks bring in the buckets and the scrubbing brushes, the gloves, the proper osoji, or cleaning time. We get up there and we're cleaning up. I'm ready. Okay, we're ready for the incense. Haruko, I didn't bring any. I'm hobbling on my bad leg from soccer. It's getting better, but no, that's the tradition. You light the incense for the purification of the soul. And Kimiko-san died last year, so it's her rookie season up at the Ohaka. Check it out, man. Shawarma. Oh, yeah, baby. Sign me up. Do they have lamb? Beef, chicken, mixed shawarma, falafel shawarma. Sign me up. Sakura's just starting to pop, and this is the hill that Yoshi-san would push his grandpa up. There's the Senko. I thought he said 800 yen, 800 yen. It wasn't, it was 100. All right, let's get up, finish up cleaning up. Purify, pray. Sandwichi. Kobe is great because it's got a lot of foreign influence for Japan. We saw a halal restaurant, shawarma. There was a mosque up here in Kitano. Oh yeah, it's a regular family affair. Bring the kids, get your bucket. Let's get after it. So here we are, wrapping up. There's the incense. I was just about to put it in this container, and Haruko's like, no, it has to be white on the top. So it torched my lighter. All right. Oh, and I gotta leave him a cigarette because he used to smoke, one of the grandpas. Senko is the Like I said, that bend my smoke, man. I haven't had a smoke in like 300 years. I'll just leave it here. You can have it after the ball game tonight. It's Mexico. Oh, there's the Kobe Mosque. I like to play the borrowed word game on Gaijin TV. That's where I say a word that the Japanese population has adopted from English or German or into Italian. This one is Shiruku Rodo. Shiruku Rodo. Okay, now Sharia is a system, as I understand it, it's a law system for a traveling population, caravans, commerce. Oh, and here I was propagandized into thinking they were evil. They're not. Marco Polo. Marco Polo. Here's Kobe Halal Foods. Get your Indo on. Lots of nice chutneys and lentils, etc. And as long as we're on that vein, this is Kobe Grocer. Very famous, as there's so little access to foreign things, chocolate covered sugar bombs and the like. Yeah, and actually we can get a turkey here at Thanksgiving time. Recently had a fire here, recently renovated. It's a little expensive, but you know, sometimes you have a taste for some of those Western. I had a Hershey Kiss the other day. I had to spit it out. Disgusting. What's in the food supply? Your guess is it's good. It's mine. Here we are heading into one of the covered shopping areas in Kobe, the Shoten guy. And you can have a look at my little retarded umbrella. I'm a special boy. Well, at least she brought an extra for me. We're going up to the dollar store because I cracked my glasses in half, putting them in my pocket. Yeah, as I said, it's covered, so rainy day don't really matter none. We're going shopping. Let's go shopping. Nice stained glass window. And some cool art installations here in Kobe town. This reminds me of my ironsmith boys work. Anthony Kato, what's up, Ninja? Can I interest you in everything all of the time? And that is Oaxaca Mighty. The guy selling the flowers and the incense was Genki as hell. I thought he would have been morbidly depressed hanging out with the deados every day. Oh yeah, on Sazai-san, the weekly cartoon, last week she showed us how to visit the shrine, the cleaning, the flowers. In fact, we saw kids leaving bananas and oranges up on their shrine, and Anka-chan reminded me that that's what Sazai-san did last week on the show. She left a mochi, and there's different flavored mochis for different seasons. Obviously. All that you don't know as a gaijin, it's a significant list. Let's put it that way. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And catch you later on Gaijin TV. Peace!